This is the global version of the Huawei Band 4 Pro. Inside the box are Huawei Band 4 Pro smartwatch, charging cable with its cradle, user manual and warranty card. This is Huawei Band 4 Pro. Before anything else, feel free to like or share this video, and please don't forget to subscribe. The Huawei Band 4 Pro comes in 3 colors and I got the graphite black. With body weight 25 grams, same weight as one AA battery, 2 AAA batteries, 2/5 of C battery, and 1,000 grains of rice. With body dimension of 26.6 by 2 by 1.1 centimeters. It has a large rectangular electronic touchscreen display with display dimension of 4.6 by 2 by 1.1 centimeter. Display LED almost same as one AAA battery. Display width almost like 2 AAA batteries. And display thickness almost like one AAA battery. Strap is made of soft silicone rubber using a buckle type closure with 17 holes on the strap. It is adjustable with adjustable wearable length maximum of 21.5 centimeters and adjustable wearable length minimum of 13 centimeters. Surely it will fit any sizes. It uses lithium-ion battery with battery capacity of 100 mAh. Battery life is 5 days in normal mode and 12 days in power saving. It is rechargeable using a 2-pin charging port connected to a cradle provided. And then the cradle to the charging cable. And then the charging cable to the charging adapter. And then the charging adapter to the power socket. Charging time is 100 minutes and you are good to go. Huawei Band 4 Pro uses 0.95-inch AMOLED color touchscreen display with 240 by 120 pixel resolution. It has a 6-axis sensor including optical heart rate sensor, infrared wear sensor. It comes with Bluetooth 4.2 version. It is GPS supported, dust-proof, water-resistant up to 50 meters. It supports Android 4.4, iOS 9 and above, and you have to download Huawei Health app to connect with the band. Now let's look at the feature. Number 1, steps. Step will show you the day's number of steps taken, calories burned, distance, duration of workouts intensity, and number of times you stood up to move. Next is heart rate. Heart rate measures heartbeat per minute. Next is SpO2 or blood oxygen saturation. It measures amount of oxygen in the blood. Next is sleep or Huawei True Sleep. It tracks duration of sleep for the day. Next is workout. It has 11 workout modes. And each workout, you can set targets such as distance, duration, calories, or set alerts such as distance and duration. Next is more. Here you will find timer, stopwatch, faces, find phone, brightness with night mode, screen on, battery, and system. Last but not the least, messages. These are notification alerts you can set using the Huawei Health app. Notification alerts like messages, WhatsApp, Facebook, Facebook Messenger, Gmail, Instagram, and others. So you've seen the unboxing and full walkthrough of Huawei Band 4 Pro. It's now time for me to give my honest product review. Just a quick reminder, this is not a sponsor. It wasn't sent for me for free. So please expect an honest product review. Here are my 3 of my most favorite of the Huawei Band 4 Pro. Number 1, I like the font size. The screen size may be a bit smaller, but they compensate on the font size. It's a bit bigger than the usual, so it's good for the visual. It's easy to see. It's good for the fingers. It's easy to navigate. Number 2, I like the screen options. Aside from having an always-on display option and raise wrist to wake screen, there's also another screen option called rotate wrist to switch screen. So all you have to do is rotate your wrist to scroll up or scroll down. So it's really convenient for those people who are doing something and you can't get your hands off whatever you're doing, but you have to see your band. So it's really convenient, it's easy to use. Number 3, I like the set target on workouts. It's not a long period of time goal setting, which sometimes you tend to forget. You can log on your target, your distance, duration, or calories target as you do your workout. It's a really good push to start every workout. Here are my 3 of my least favorite of the Huawei Band 4 Pro. Number 1, it's a bit heavy. Not just the display, but also the strap. It's a bit heavy. It's not lightweight. You will feel it. Number 2, battery drains fast. I opened and did the unboxing video last week, Monday. And then I charged and started using it the next day, Tuesday, at 100%. And then the next day, Wednesday, it's already on 60%. And then by Friday or Saturday, it's already on 5%. I have to recharge it to film a video for my walkthrough. Number 3, there are features not on the band because I'm not an Android but an iPhone user. Although it says it supports Android and iOS, there are features not on the band. Like for example, number 1, the watch face. It says on their website there are a lot of watch face to choose from on Huawei watch face store, but I didn't notice that there is a superscript beside the watch face store. It says on the footer down the website, it says, Huawei watch face store is only available on Android users. And it says on another Huawei webpage that they advise iPhone users to connect their band temporarily using an Android device to access the Huawei watch face store. I don't have an Android device. No one in the house has Android device. Alangan namang bumili pa ako ng Android device just to access the Huawei watch face store. So there. So I will just stick to the standard watch face. So yun. And aside from the watch face, music playback and camera controls are only for Android users. So that's about it. The unboxing, full walkthrough, and honest review of this Huawei Band 4 Pro. Please stay tuned on my YouTube channel. I have another smartwatch. I have a Xiaomi Band 6. I'll be doing the same thing, unboxing, walkthrough, and product review of Xiaomi Band 6. I'll also be doing Xiaomi Band 5 versus Huawei Band 4 Pro, and then Xiaomi Band 6 versus Huawei Band 4 Pro. That's coming up very, very soon. So if you have any questions, suggestion, collab, and product feature, please comment down below, or you can send me a private message through my Facebook or Instagram. Please feel free to like and share this video, and most importantly, please don't forget to subscribe, hit the bell button to get notified for new uploads. So that's about it. Thank you so much for watching. Till the next video. Bye-bye.